Today, July 4th, 32,000 people are here in Tropical Park today to witness our drone light show for the Miami-Dade Park and Recreation. They have an aqua sport on jets in the water. We have fireworks going on, and then of course, we have our drone light show. That's the highlight of the event.
We hope that the community has fun and really enjoys the show and the event overall. So thank you to you guys for your hard work, and thank you to the community for being here.
We're here with the family. This is what it's all about. I'm looking forward to it. I've actually never seen one. You seen one before? All right, so we're first timers to it.
It was an awesome experience. The way he handled it was amazing.
It was my first time watching it. My family enjoyed it. Like, they had the best time over here.
It was very cute. I love that they incorporated 305 in it.
I was singing the Pledge of Allegiance.
Happy 4th of July.